Power unleashed, Realme GT Neo 5 Pro soars with lightning-fast 100-watt and 150-watt charging options. The highly anticipated Realme GT Neo 5 Pro is going to be launched by Realme in the near future. With much excitement surrounding its release, the company is actively preparing to unveil this new flagship device. Fans and tech enthusiasts alike are eagerly awaiting the arrival of the Realme GT Neo 5 Pro as it promises to offer a remarkable blend of cutting-edge features and powerful performance. This new model will join the Realme GT Neo 5 series, which already includes the Realme GT Neo 5 and the Realme GT Neo 5 SE, both released earlier this year. While the company has kept the specifications of the GT Neo 5 Pro under wraps, some details have recently been leaked. On Weibo, the popular analyst digital chat station shared some exciting details about the upcoming Realme GT Neo 5 Pro. According to the analyst's revelations, the highly anticipated smartphone is expected to come equipped with fast charging capabilities of both 100-watt and 150-watt. This means that users can expect lightning-fast charging speeds which will power up their devices in no time. Additionally, the Realme GT Neo 5 Pro is rumored to be accompanied by a 5000 mAh battery, which ensures extended usage. This removes the need for frequent recharging. In addition to the leaked details, there are hints about the display specifications of the upcoming device. According to the information, the Realme GT Neo 5 Pro is anticipated to feature a huge 6.74-inch OLED panel. This display is expected to offer a stunning 1.5K resolution. This is bound to provide the users with a visually immersive experience. Moreover, the leaked information suggests that the device might support an impressive refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, ensuring smooth and fluid animations. According to the leak, the GT Neo 5 Pro will feature an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, which is Qualcomm's fastest chipset to date. It is further rumored to come with up to 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 512 GB of inbuilt storage. In comparison, the Realme GT Neo 5 was available in two charging variants, one with 4600 mAh battery supporting 240-watt wired fast charging and another variant with a 5000 mAh battery supporting 150-watt wired fast charging. The former was priced at CNY 3,199 for the 16 GB plus 256 GB option, while the latter started at CNY 2,499 for the 8 GB plus 256 GB base variant. On the other hand, the Realme GT Neo 5 SE packed a 5500 mAh battery with 100-watt wired fast charging and was priced at CNY 1,999 for the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant during its launch. Realme is on the path of expanding its GT Neo 5 series, and the upcoming Realme GT Neo 5 Pro is poised to be a significant and powerful addition to the lineup. Alongside the advanced charging features, the Realme GT Neo 5 Pro will also offer cutting-edge specifications, ensuring a smooth and high-performance user experience. The wait for the official unveiling continues as fans eagerly look forward to getting their hands on this highly anticipated device and exploring its cutting-edge capabilities. The prospect of experiencing the advanced features firsthand has generated excitement and buzz. Realme is poised to change the course of the markets with its impressive lineup of devices slated to release soon.